Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color, and today we are going to talk about the meaning of the color white. But before we begin, let's go back 1 second, because white is not actually a color, it's a shade. White is often used to represent things that are clean, easy, good, innocent, and pure. But that's not all. White can also be used to express isolation, emptiness, distance, barriers, and sterility. The best thing about white is that it provides a background or blank canvas that makes every other color stand out. Comment down below and let me know what the color white means to you. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Courageous Color. Bye for now.